Okay, welcome back to another exciting Unity tutorial with me, Romy Fauzi. And in this episode, we are going to discuss how to reduce the batches in the 2D game. And here I have the last project, the swappable rig. And right now we have 7 batches with the background and stuff. And as you can see here in the assets folder, I have separate PNG art for the backgrounds. And there are 4 additional backgrounds. And this means we will have 4 new batches. For example, here if I just disable the background, you'll see that currently it has 3 batches. Okay, so let's just enable this and let's take a look. So now if we press play, you'll see that once we change the character, we increase the batches because the character doesn't share the same PNG files. And if I try to change to another cloth, which is the girl cloth, the character C cloth, you'll see we increase the batches. So the highest batches that we can have in this scene currently is 13, and we can reduce this, or we can increase the performance using Sprite Atlas. So let's just do that. Here in the our project folder, we need to create a new Sprite Atlas. So let's just create Sprite Atlas, and you can rename this whatever. So I'm going just to rename this to Atlas. And here it asks for an object to be packed. So let's just add new sprites, or we can just lock this and then select all of our sprite here that we want to pack together, and then drag this to the list here. So once we drag this, it will fill out the objects that are going to be packed. And if we press pack preview, you'll see that it will generate an atlas. So now once this is generated, this will all of the sprite that we have on our scene here will be automatically optimized. I'm going to increase the order of the counter here. I'm going to set this to 1 so it renders in front of the glasses, the window glasses. So let's just save the scene. And another thing that we need to make sure is under the project settings, go to the editor, and here make sure that the sprite packer set always to enabled or enabled for builds. Depends on how you want to do it. But if this sets to disable, then the atlas won't work. So let's just set this to always enabled. So now if we try to press play again, you see that the batches went down to 4. And now if I change the character, you see the batches stays at 4. So now the scene is quite optimized, and I really recommend this way to reduce the draw call or the batches, because if you have so many different 2D arts on different from different sprites, the batches can easily increase, and this way we can keep our game optimized on low-end devices. So thanks a lot for watching, and if you like this video, please hit that subscribe button to get notified for new videos.